So AGM has announced the G3 series. The series consists of the G3 and the G3 Pro. These devices are among the best and toughest rugged phones of 2025, and in this video we'll talk about the specs of the G3 Pro. I specifically picked the G3 Pro because it's a much more better feature-packed rugged phone than the G3. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's explore the features of the AGM G3 Pro. So the G3 Pro is built like a tank with IP68 and IP69K ratings and military-grade standard 808 certifications, meaning it can handle water, dust, drops, and extreme temperatures. The frame is made from durable alloy and polymer, giving it serious protection for outdoor or worksite use. Powering the phone is a 10,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts several days. It supports 33 watts fast charging and 18 watts wireless charging, so you don't always need a cable. The display is a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, giving smooth visuals whether you're gaming, scrolling, or walking. One of its standout features is the thermal imaging camera, which detects heat sources, and this makes it perfect for engineers, campers, and security work. It also includes a 64MP main shooter and a 2MP macro lens at the back and a sharp 50MP selfie camera. The device is capable of recording up to 4K videos at 30fps. Now, performance is strong thanks to the Dimensity 7300 chipset paired with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, expandable with a micro SD card. The device runs on Android 15 with a clean interface and supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and dual SIM. Now, there's also a powerful LED camping light and a loud 5-watt rear speaker, making it practical for outdoor or emergency use. Now, the only downsides are its size and weight. At 375 grams and 18mm thick, it's not pocket friendly. Now, I don't know the official release date of the AGM G3 Pro and I don't know its price, but if you're interested in the device, maybe I'll update you guys if I find out the release date and price. So these are the top features of the AGM G3 Pro. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. I'll definitely compare this device with many other rugged phones out there, but I don't really know, okay? But share your thoughts, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.